Hi, Aries. Hi. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I just got a giddy feeling. Hi. What are you guys up to? Anywho, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate you spending your time, your space, and your energy with me today. This reading is for my Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and I'm also getting Venus, okay? Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. That always helps. Keep in mind this channel is solely based on pure positive energy, and we're always moving forward, okay? Aries, I got some downloads for you. Let me take my sip of water. I got that some of you are working hard creatively towards a water sign or for a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or with one, okay? You guys are a dynamic duo. I'm getting Cancer strongly. I'm also getting be patient so you don't deplete yourself, okay? I'm getting here, this task is being taken with your partner so that they can pick up what you lack, okay? You can't do everything, Aries. And even though I know you are the boss, you make shit happen, you make boss moves, but come on. I know you get a little tired and drained too. So let your partner do some of the work, okay? Alrighty, so that's what I did get for my Aries babies. Let's go ahead and hop in. This is for the beginning of September, okay? For the first half of September. What was that? Oh, I got the Strength card. Are some of you dealing with the Leo? Okay. We have the Hangman at the bottom of the deck, Pisces energy. Alrighty. What's happening with my Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the first half of September? I hope you all are doing well, and I love you, Aries. Alright, let's see. Messages for the signs Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What messages do you have for the beautiful Aries? Thank you. You have the Magician here. All right. There we go. That's your energy, Aries. Okay. Making shit happen. Bringing things into fruition. Manifesting in the 3D. Okay. I love it. Okay. We have the 4 of Cups. Alrighty. And we have a 4 of Wands. There we go. Twin flame energy. That's like I said, you guys are making these moves with a partner. Definitely could be a water or fire sign. Yeah, it could be a Scorpio maybe. You have the Death card here. So, oh, a lot of transformation is happening here. I don't know, for some reason I got some people may be doing black magic here or dark magic. Okay, with the Magician and the Death card. Some people are manifesting and it's not what they want here. Okay, so with the Magician, the Death card, and the 4 of Pentacles, it's like I'm getting an energy of you did some work. You are someone else. You know what? It could be cross watchers watching here. But the outcome was not what you intended here. Okay? So be careful. Alright? Ooh. There we go. We got the 10 of Cups, 9 of Cups, and the 9 of Pentacles. Okay. I'm loving that. So this could be some of you are single, making these moves, doing this work. I'm getting here the work that was done, or the offer that came in and you rejected, that was a good idea. The rejection was a great idea, because whatever decision you did decide to make, it brought in a 10 of Cups. This is definitely going to be with a twin flame soulmate, because we have the 4 of Wands and the 9 of Cups here. A lot of wish fulfillment. Someone has taken you out of that single energy here. And I'm getting here with the Magician and the Death card. This was very much needed here. The transformation. Let's go ahead and clarify what's going on with this Magician here. Give me the Magician for my Aries. Are they manifesting here, or what's happening? Are they making it happen like Aries do? Whoa, thank you. Whoa, okay. All right. Wow, so we have the Ace of Wands and the Empress. So I'm getting here, I'm gonna go ahead and put that. I'm not gonna read that in reverse. So with the Ace of Wands and the Empress, I'm getting here fire energy, and this Empress is giving me a Libra. So some of you may be dealing with Libra. I'm getting a pregnant energy, okay? Because everybody knows with that wand, that Ace of Wands coming in, that's, you know, some hot and heavy intimacy. Some of you, I'm getting, manifested this with someone as well, but with this Death card, it did not turn out well, okay? And for some of you, it turned out amazing. Especially with the Empress here. I'm getting you as the Empress though, Aries. Some of you may be pregnant or going to get pregnant. Be careful. Okay? But a lot of you are moving like a boss with this Magician and the Empress, okay? You guys are moving fast. Making shit happen. Some of you may have kids, okay? And you handle it very well, okay? I'm getting here, a lot of you are running around making, doing some errands, taking care of entrepreneurial work, and you guys have the kids right along with you, okay? And I'm getting people like looking at you with this single type energy, but with your kids though. Like, let me see, let's continue. The energy is crazy. What's the 4 of Cups? What's the 4 of Cups here? What's the 4 of Cups for my Aries, please? What's the 4 of Cups? 4 of Cups for my Aries babies. We have a Knight of Pentacles, okay? So it could be an earth sign coming in. This offer that's coming in very slowly. I'm showing here it's taking its sweet time, because this is going to be the end all be all. This offer that's coming in. Once you get out of this 4 of Cups energy though, because, okay, so for some of you, this 4 of Cups energy, this rejecting offers, I'm getting here, a lot of people have been coming in trying to help you, Aries, but you've been rejecting them. And you're holding yourself back from happiness, okay? I got a sense of you needing to release fear around happiness. Give me more for the Four of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles. Give me one more. What's going on here? What's this offer coming in here? And it could be an earth sign coming towards you. Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, okay? And they're ready to show you a new side of a whole new world. That's what I got. They're ready to show you a whole new world, okay? Some of you have been stuck in this death transformation energy, but you aren't transforming. There's no rebirth happening, okay? Because you're rejecting all the signs and all the offers and everything coming in to assist you to transition and gain this happiness. And this Nine of Cups, this Ten of Cups. I think I'm getting here, some of you are afraid of success. Aries, what's happening here? Give me more. Not you. What's happening here? And this is all emotionally, and because I'm not getting any swords here. So it's, let's see. Ace of Pentacles. Like I said, whoever is coming in, this earth sign, they're coming in to bring you everything you need and more. Give me the Four of Wands. What's the Four of Wands? But this stagnation energy. Yeah. We have the Hangman. Ooh. Okay. So with the Four of Wands and the Hangman, like I stated earlier in your download, a lot of you are needing to be patient and maybe take a back seat and let your partner do some of the work or assist you or take half of the responsibility, okay? Because if you don't, it may cause some rift, or some of you are choosing to take a seat or take take the back seat. A lot of you are used to taking the lead, but you need to take a back seat with your partner. This is for some of you. Let them do some of the work, okay? That's why you guys are in a partnership. Give me more for the Four of Wands and the Hangman. Or a lot of you are just taking that back seat because you want to be alone. You want to be left alone. You feel more alive by yourself or in that single energy. Being alone brings you the most joy here. Okay, we have the Knight of Swords and the King of Pentacles here. So a lot of clarity is going to be coming your way regarding this Kingpin. Kingpin, this is Big Daddy, okay? This is who's coming towards you. And with the Knight of Swords, they're going to be coming full force, okay? They're going to be coming with their shit together financially. They're going to be coming ready to give you a lifetime of commitment, a lifetime of partnership. This person is very conscious of the way they maneuver in life, okay? And this is something that you need right now, Aries, because you're the same way, but you haven't been able to really come across anybody who's like-minded, which is why you're staying stuck in the Nine of Pentacles, okay? For the Death card, we have the Three of Wands. We have the Five of Cups. or Five of Pentacles, the Chariot, and the Five of Swords here. So with this clarifying the Death card, some of you because my Three of Wands is waiting on your ships to come in, okay? With the Five of Pentacles here, some of you don't feel like your ships will ever come in, okay? But with the Chariot here, it's definitely coming in. Or this is telling me you need to move forward past this negative thinking. With the Five of Swords, this is very defensive type energy. Okay? I'm also getting here, some of you could be bringing in a Cancer or dealing with a Cancer, or Cancer is involved. Also, some of you, when you do choose to get out of that Four of Cups energy and finally move forward with that Chariot into transformation and rebirth, some people are not going to be happy, okay? This is gonna leave others. All right, sorry about that, Aries. My son woke up, so he's right here with me, so you may hear him. But I'm just going to clarify the 10 of Cups, and then we'll pull a romance angel, okay? All right. So we have the Two of Wands and the Tower. All righty. So that's definitely letting me know the Two of Wands is trying to choose, or making sure you choose the right path to go. Which way are you going to go? Are you going to go towards happiness, love, fulfillment, enjoyment, enlightenment, prosperity? Or are you going to let this Tower fall down on you because you're in this Four of Pentacles or Four of Cups energy, and this this Four of Cups energy, Five of Pentacles energy, feeling like, woe is me? Which way are you going to go? Because if you stay in the stagnation energy, the Tower is coming down, okay? All right, let me go ahead and get, and for some of you, okay, no, I'm going to leave that there. Let me go ahead and get a romance angel. Okay, son. One romance angel for my Aries. Retreat. Okay? I said this in the reading earlier. It's time to disconnect from the world. I said in your download, a lot of you need to take a seat, have some patience, let things unfold. Ready? It's time to disconnect from the world, but in a good way, okay? So that you can come up with your master plan, gain this gain this 10 of Cups, 9 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles, and Magician's energy. Manifest, make that shit happen for you. The world is your oyster, Aries. The universe works for you. Ask and it is given. All right, I'm going to leave it there. Ashe.